All right, so I'm indeed a senior analyst in the imaging team in Yole. So what are we doing in Yole for those who don't know our company yet? So we have currently three main core activities. The first one is to deliver market and technology reports on various fields of the semiconductor devices. It can range from power electronics, radio frequency, packaging, computing, memories, photonics, and sensing devices. We also support some companies into financial studies such as M&A and due diligence. We have also a sister company called System Plus. They perform physical analysis on technical modules from automotive, smartphone, consumers. We do reverse costing and engineering, and we do even until the physical analysis of the semiconductor devices. And we do also ramping an activity about test of electric and electro-optical devices and benchmark as well. All right, so I will skip to the introduction just to better explain the scope of my presentation today. So we mainly focus in our investigation in automotive field in three main types of camera. Let's say the ADAS cameras, the U-Ring cameras, and the incoming cameras that are considered also as some kind of ADAS cameras as well. And in this presentation, I will focus on ADAS cameras, and I will focus on the semiconductor content of these cameras, which is mainly the CMOS image sensor, the sensing parts, and also the ADAS processors. We do also focus on the lens and the optics content. A lot of innovation there, but I will not deal with that today. All right, so I would like to share with you some of the main market trends in the field, and we can also discuss, of course, of them right after.